How to fix if Discord keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and log into your account. Click on the server that's causing issue, then join the voice channel and right-click on it. Click on Edit Channel. After you've clicked on Edit Channel, in here, scroll down and search for Region Override. If your server members are from the specific country, select that region. Then at the top, decrease your bit rate. After you've done that, and if it still does not fix your problem, open Command Prompt. In Command Prompt, simply type in as shown in the screen, which is ipconfig //DNS. Then press on Enter. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. And if it still does not fix your problem, simply search VPN. Make sure there's no VPN connected. Then on the left side, click on Proxy. After you click on Proxy, make sure your proxy is turned off as well. And this is how to fix if Discord keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.